The Rytan RY81 is the complete flip-up key gauge shaft assembly used on compatible Rytan duplicators. This lesson identifies the supplied pieces, shows the washer spring cotter pin order, and adds the current operator manual checks that matter after installation.
Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rytan RY81 replacement key gauge assembly. Fits machine models RY100, RY200, RY200, and the RY256 and the RY456. I don't have all those models in my head. I love this Rytan. So the RY81 is the replacement key gauge assembly, and this is, when you buy this is what you get. You get the red vinyl handle, you get a tip gauge here, the rest of the rod obviously, the spring that allows you to keep that in the position out of the way of the cutter. You'll get a couple of washers for the installation and a very small cotter pin that's difficult to see in the packaging. I'll give you a couple of basic dimensions of the item. Overall length of the rod, and this is, you know, people call and say, I don't know what I have, or my father passed away and I found this key machine in the garage. You know, those are calls that I get. Overall length, about 8 1/8. That spring that's there, looks like it's about 6 inch. The rest of the gizmos, we'll just leave that to show you right like that. Okay, so let's switch to a different camera view and I'll show you what it looks like as it's installed.
Before service, unplug the machine and confirm compatibility against the current manual and machine configuration. Keep the cutter stopped and protect the vise, gauge fingers, and shaft while the assembly is removed.
Okay, I'll show it to you. It's now obvious what's happening here. Forgive me. Like I had said, it would probably become obvious once you try to do it. So you know the old saying, if it was a snake it would have bit me. So let's just move on. The blank key side tip gauge, those two holes where the tip gauge gets installed, those two drilled and tapped holes, I would imagine. That's everything. That's the hole I just discovered right before I fired this up. Surely that cotter pin is going to go through there and it's going to get folded over. The original key side, I have another set of images, and then it'll be really clear what's happening. This is upside down. Yeah, so is that one. Okay, so that cotter pin is right there actually. It goes through the hole and you fold it over. And that's what's going to retain the position of the spring in relationship to the two washers that are included. That is what you need, that cotter pin, because as you push the gauge over, it keeps the spring in position. Right there, you can. They've put that cotter pin in and then folded the tips over, the short end, and then they've gone with a short end there, and then folded the rest over. Okay.
The current RY100 manual tells you to adjust the two gauge fingers against test cuts made in stacked identical blanks, then verify machine depth and spacing. Follow the manual for your exact model.
Loaded view. Let's see if that helps us at all. It does. That part 68 is the part that I've got on my RY200. And that is a key gauge protector optional. Give me that. Give me the guardrails at the bowling alley. That's for sure. These are this is what keeps me from getting the ball in the gutter. I would really recommend, I mean, for me, I prefer to have it there. And not only for me, someone with more experience, but you might ask someone with less experience to cut keys. And that protector might be nice. Now I want to go back to these images because these are upside down, and let's just flip them over is what I'm driving at. Let me download them and we'll flip them over because you're literally looking at it upside down. Okay, let's pull them over. Yeah, that looks normal. All right, the left side of the tool with my protector installed. Okay, then the spring assembly in the middle, that's the cotter pin. You can see it a lot more clearly now. That's where it goes. Get the carriage, get the rod in to this area. You've obviously got to have the spring over the end of it. Get that cotter pin in and turned over. After you have washers on first, then the cotter pin, then the spring, is what I'm trying to say. You want to make sure it's all within this center area before you... rod's got to go in first. Rytan. There you go. Yeah, everything's there. Really good. Really happy with that. Okay. So that is the exploded view, which was the second file that's here, exploded view. Okay.
Top shoulder gauge standard cylinder keys. Use the specified behind the tip method for best and Falcon keys. Always flip the gauges down before cutting. Leaving them up can damage the fingers, shaft, or cutter.
Okay, before we switch back to the camera view, right near this video is a link here to the manufacturer's page. If you click on that, you'll be able to pull up not only all of the Rytan products we sell, and I believe these are actually sorted by how common we sell them, I think. Yeah, it makes sense. We do sell a lot of these key gauges. A link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. So this is where we... Quick kit chart. I don't know what that is. Aha! Yeah, pretty handy. Quick kit components to add keyways to your machine. See table below. Yeah, the pieces that you'll need to be able to do on your RY2000 if you want to do different keyways. Speaking of this table, let's switch to the camera view and we'll talk about that. Let's do that now. It's the RY200 is what I use all day long. I have their RY2000. I probably have an RY45. I don't remember having used them in the recent past. This is my daily driver when it comes to cutting keys.
Rytan says to replace the RY81 when the shaft wobbles excessively or has been cut into too many times. Use the current manual, recheck alignment after service, and stop if the machine does not gauge or cut predictably.